Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Sugar Hill, Georgia today. This is a repeat customer. This is a move out situation. They're moving out of this rental. They've purchased a home. Want us to come back and, clean a carpet for the rental company, get their deposit back, etc. This is what we call camouflage carpet. It's a darker carpet, kind of a short shag. We call it camouflage carpet because it hides spots, things of that nature really well. Doesn't show up like stuff does on the lighter color carpet. There's not really any spots to speak of. We were here a year ago in August, so it's been 11 months. Like I said, they're moving out. So there's really nothing to see per se as far as getting done. It's going to be kind of a quick general cleaning. But there's 3 bedrooms up here, a set of stairs, a hall, living room, dining room, family room, a little bit of soiling in here, looks like. It might be the way the carpet's laying. Yeah, it's kind of where the carpet's laying. It's like the worst room, which is odd for a dining room. And then the family room in here. So we will get this knocked out. Let's see, it's 9:15. We'll shoot an after video, not even much to see, but we'll shoot one anyway for comparison purposes. So we'll be back shortly. As you can see, it's 9:45. Just wrapped up this job. It was a $285 job. I wanted you to see all of the pet hair that we got out of the carpet. As you can see, I'm not really sure what kind of dog it is, but and they pre-vacuumed before we got here. Whether it was yesterday or today, I don't know, but as you can see, a ton of pet hair in that brush there. There's also quite a bit on the bonnet. You can't really see that. But just wanted you to see all that hair in that brush from this job. And we'll give you a quick run through. Like I said, there's not much to see. Actually, yeah, there's not much to see. At the living room, the dining room, everything came out with those weird looking discolored spots. We did find some spots after the initial walkthrough when he started cleaning. A bunch of brown debris stuff over here as well as against this wall here. Other than that, it was in really good shape. A lot of it could be attributed to the product we use. It a lot of times helps protect the carpet. We don't advertise it as a protectant like Scotch Guard, but a lot of times it's much easier for us to clean after we've been to the house once or twice sometimes to get things back to where they need to be pH-wise. But anyway, that's it. Like I said, all jobs are not this quick and easy. It'd be nice if they all were, but they're not. Helps that if it's a repeat customer, helps if there's no furniture, and of course helps if there's very little, visual spots you have to treat aggressively and spend a lot of time or product on. Again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning. omgfloorcare.com. No upsells, no per spot fees. 404-500-9853. We do put people in the carpet cleaning and floor care business. So if you're interested in starting a business, being your own boss, making your own hours, give us a call. We're happy to put you in the business. We also sell our product, the OMG Spot Cleaner, OMG Cleaner. So give us a call. Thanks for watching. Always be nice. Take care.